Hello world, Om Namah Shivaya. I am Yogi Global, asking you a question. Do you really want to start your yogic journey, but don't know where to start, how to start? You have no idea. So today I am going to teach you a very basic yoga practice, and which is very powerful, which gives you lots of energy, makes your body complete flexible and calm down your nervous systems. So we are going to talking about today about Surya Namaskar, that is Sun Salutation. So how to do Sun Salutation? Let's start. First of all, stand straight. In this position, stand straight, spine straight. Don't make this mistake that your spine should not be bent or round. You have to should be very straight. Then take a deep breath and come to the prayer position. This is prayer position, prayer to the God that remove all the problems from my life. Close your eyes. Then raise your arms like this. Backward bending. Then keep your spine straight and come forward bending. Keep your hands on the ground or touch your feet. Some people come and stop here only. No, then your body is not in control. You have to be flexible this much. Your hand should touch ground. Also, your forehead should touch your knees like this. This is the ultimate goal. This should be the ultimate goal of your yoga. Then next, keep your both hands on the ground. Keep your left feet here only and take your right feet back like this, or you can complete open your feet like this. But if you are beginner, then do only like this. And on your left, when you go back, then inhale. When you come forward, exhale. So now put your both the feet back in this position, that is plank position, like this. Or you can stand like this in mountain pose. Your complete flat feet should touch the ground like this. Then come to the plank pose again. Now listen carefully. Your 8 parts of the body will be touching the ground. Your both feet, both knees, your chest and your chin and your 2 hands. Complete 8 parts will touch the ground. This is called Ashtang Asana. 8 parts touching the ground. Now next, come to the Bhujangasana. This is Cobra pose. And when you come to Cobra pose, like this, inhale deeply. Fill your lungs with oxygen. Next, come to the plank position again and go back to the mountain pose. Your feet should touch the ground, and in mountain pose you have to see your navel like this. This is the mountain pose. Next, now bring your right feet forward and like how we started, you can complete open your feet or you can keep it like this. Now on right leg, backward bend like this, and your body will be very flexible. Again, we started from both feet together. Now repeat starting pose. Your forehead should touch your knees like this. Again, your spine straight and raise your hands like this we started before, and this is how you perform Pranamasana. Inhale and exhale. This is the one cycle of Surya Namaskar. So you do not have to make any mistakes. Mistakes like your spine should be straight, not like this. And when you go back, you have to inhale the breath, and when you come forward, you have to exhale the breath. So this is the precautions you have to take when you performing Surya Namaskar. And by doing Surya Namaskar 5 times only, every day, every morning, this is the kick start of your day. you will get lots of energy by doing only Surya Namaskar. So if you like this video, share it with anyone in the world. And everyone should do yoga every day. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. See you in the next video. Om Namah Shivaya.